Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to the channel if this is your first time here. I'm the founder Bogdan Lendl of Surviving Divorce for Men, and today I want to share the questions you have to ask before hiring an attorney. So divorce is a huge step, and how it's handled can have lasting impacts for the rest of your life, no matter which side you're on, no matter what the situation is. Uh, Most likely you've never been in divorce, just like me, and then the process is new and uncomfortable. So before hiring an attorney in divorce, you need to do some homework to ensure you're getting the best for your situation, and research every prospective attorney. I'll recommend some websites. One is avvo.com. You can check out divorce attorneys there and their feedback, their reviews and things like that. I would go with some some of the ones that offer free consultation just to kind of get the feel of it, but make sure you look at the reviews. Make sure you look at how many years of experience they have and what kind of things they do. Maybe they only do divorce 10% and the rest they do some medical stuff or whatever, which is not the best in your case. So consider that. Make sure you call at least 3 or 4 attorneys before making any decisions, and ask the questions you need to ask to make sure the attorney can handle your particular divorce case, because they're all different, even though same idea of getting divorced. But these are some of the questions that you need to ask attorney. So I'll try to put them below under the video, so you can just download them and go from there when you meet them for consultation. So questions to ask divorce attorney about their experience. So 1, how many divorce cases have you handled? 2, how many of those cases have you been able to settle out of court? 3, do you practice collaborative divorce? 4, do you know my spouse? For the conflict of interest and stuff. 5, do you know my spouse's attorney, to make sure if they're friends or not friends, or just ask the question. It helps. Like in my case, everybody who asks about my spouse's attorney, they're like, oh, nobody wants to work with her because she's not really good. Anyways, number 6, are you familiar with the local family court judges and how they rule? Specific judges, over years, they tend to do, always this, the mom always gets the custody, or whatever the case is, or father always has to pay for this and that. So they know how it's gonna be done. So most likely your case will be the same thing. Whoever's gonna have to pay attorney fees or whatever the case is. So number 7, do you believe it's better to mediate and negotiate than go to trial? Number 8, do you have experience negotiating child support, spouse support, large financial settlements, or business valuations? Be specific about issues you feel will come up during the divorce. Okay, that's first section. Second section is questions to ask about how your divorce case will be handled. So that's question number 9 in the total questions, but this is the first question in this category. So will you or another attorney from the firm handle my case? A lot of times you would go out and then you talk to an attorney, but it would be somebody else who would be actually handling the case. Number 10, can I meet anyone else who will be involved in my case? Number 11, if others from the firm will be involved, what experience do they have? Number 12, or also you can ask, if it's the same rate and stuff. Number 12, are you available via phone or email? Number 13, do you have a heavy caseload? Will you have time to devote to how much time will you have for my case? Number 14, if I need to reach you, what's the best time of the day to do that? Number 15, will I receive copies of documents filed with the court, all communication with my spouse's attorney, and other documents? Usually they do that they CC you on the emails. Number 16, will I be kept informed on all the developments in my case? 17, will you ask my opinion before planning a strategy? Because sometimes they just do stuff and they don't even ask your opinion. 17, will you ask, sorry, 18, what are your personal feelings about the spouse's support? Number 19, what are your personal feelings about joint custody